Alright, so this is a video as requested by Roy Rodriguez on a no-start issue with the E30 BMW series. So this is a 1989 325i sedan, and when it was purchased it wouldn't start, and then eventually it did start, and it would immediately stall out. You would have to rev it like a madman to keep it running. If you hold the gas pedal down, it just slowly dies. Anyways, so I figured out the problem with that, what that was. So if you open the hood, as I just did, and you look underneath the hood in the engine bay, you see it's mostly stock here. Actually, it's all stock, just a replacement radiator, and that's it. So first I thought, okay, maybe it's the fuses, so I replaced all of the fuses. That turned out not to be the problem. In fact, what it turned out to be is right next to the air cleaner box. You have this. It's like a smaller little box here, a little sensor on it. So I popped that off earlier, and this is what it looks like underneath. There is a plastic gear here, and this is what turned out to be the problem. This was not adjusted correctly on my car. The main place it likes to run, or rather be adjusted at, is more towards the front of the car. This thing will turn when you adjust it. So when I got it, it was about here, which is no good. It likes to run right about there. So to adjust it, all you gotta do is make sure the car's off, because this will shock you pretty nasty. Or so I've been told. I don't want to find out. And you're gonna just, you can either unbolt it, or you can just lift it up, and you can actually just move that gear. See, that turns that, so it's right about there when I got it, and it just wouldn't start. So yeah, if you try adjusting that, that might fix your problem. Let me just adjust that back. So you'll notice also it has a bunch of 500s on it. Just all around the edge, 500s. I believe that means 500 degrees of camshaft rotation. Well, it could be wrong. So for me, it likes to operate just ahead, one tooth after one of the 500s. So if you look here, just there like that. And hopefully that fixes your problem.